Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clone a purchase order. It's going to come in very handy this year as there are some changes to how we submit our service orders. So I have my little purchase order here for David to take swim lessons at Aqua Wave Swim School. But if you'll see, I only have it for September. So I want to do it for October and November also. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to click on Clone PO. And yes, I'm sure I want to make a copy of this. Then we wait for it to load. The nice thing about cloning is everything stays the same, except that if you do have a due date on something, you will need to change it here. But for service orders, we don't really need to worry about due dates. So it says September again. I want October. So I'm going to click external items. I'm just going to pick a learning coach. And one item, I want that item to be swim lessons level 5 and 6 for David so that he does well. And now we're going to do October. We're going to copy the pertinent description information from here, and we're going to paste it on October. We're going to copy the price, and then we're just going to delete September. Then we are done editing. We go to next. All the information is already filled in here. Required additional document information. We do need to add external database and put that this is for PE, P, and it's already set up for Aqua Wave Swim School. And then you create a purchase order. So if you have a family or a scholar that's taking a class that's 5 months long, you're going to have to come in and clone the PO 5 different times. Just change the month, add it in, and you should be good to go. So I hope that was helpful, and if you have any questions, we're always here to ask.